Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, doing this through recovery mode will allow you to get rid of screen locks, so if you have one set on your device that you just don't remember, don't know, you can get rid of it this way. Now, unfortunately, if your device is also signed into a Google account, which mine is, this will lock the device, meaning when you go into the setup of it, once the process is finished, you'll be forced to verify one of the two methods. Number one would be the screen lock, but assuming you're doing this because you don't know it, that only leaves you with the Google account as a verification method. Now, assuming you don't know either of those, I'll be making also a video on how you can bypass this for specifically those people that don't know either one of those. But anyway, let's just get straight into this video. So we're gonna, number one, at least I am, gonna lock the device just so you can see that I do have a pattern here, and I will start off from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So we're gonna hold power key and the volume up. Select power off. Once the phone turns off, again hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now, when you see the Mi logo on the screen when you're holding this, you want to let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. There we go. So like I said, let go of the power button once you see this Mi logo. If you hold it for a little bit too long, it will reboot the device again. Holding a power button basically results in that. Now, when you have this mode visible, you can let go of the volume up as well. And then using volume keys to navigate, you want to scroll down to wipe data, press power button to confirm it, then wipe all data, confirm. I'm gonna go back, reboot to system, and this will now continue the process of resetting our device in the background. Now this will take about a minute, 2 minutes maybe, to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, like I also mentioned before, if your device becomes locked, which for me that is the case, I'll be making a video on how you can bypass this. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned for this specific video. Now anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.